Beautiful people, you're welcome back. Getting a job in Canada from your home country is absolutely doable. It is possible. People are getting job in Canada from their home countries. Less than 2 months ago, someone got a job with Face Personnel from Nigeria, and it was a visa sponsorship job. So if she could get it, nothing stop you from getting it. This is another person that got a job in Canada from outside Canada. Today I got this big opportunity from Canada. Dear applicant, we got your resume relating to the direct employment going on in our company for consideration. To proceed further in this recruitment program, you are to provide the following details. Fill the attached application form and all of that. Now, let me show you this. Note that you are eligible to submit this application form for this employment if and only if your international passport is at hand and you are ready to relocate to work in Canada or our offices in other locations. We are anticipating a quick response to this form before we go on entering an employment with you. So people are getting visa sponsorship jobs in Canada, and you just need to know your way around it. And that's why in this video today, I will be introducing to you a platform that will help you get this job faster. How to network with recruiters, hiring managers directly, whether in Canada, in New Zealand, in Australia, in United Kingdom, in Luxembourg, whichever country of your choice. Because this is a global recruitment platform where companies from different parts of the world come to search for suitable candidates that can fill in their job positions. So, and you have the opportunity to connect with hiring managers directly, with the staff of such organizations that you have interest with. So you want to agree with me that if you get to interact with the hiring manager directly, it gives you an edge other than just submitting your application. You don't even know who you are submitting your application to. But if you have already built a kind of relationship with the hiring manager, it will be easier to give you an edge above others. And another thing is that people get jobs via recommendations. Like if you're able to connect with a staff in, let's say, PwC in Canada, and that is the company you want to work in, you can just come right on this website, look for a staff that works with PwC in Canada, and start connecting with them. It's so easy to connect. You just click on the connect button. I'm going to show you in a jiffy. Connect with them, interact with them, chat them up. You can get their direct number, WhatsApp number. Try to make friends with them, and as time goes on, ask them if they can recommend you to their employer to hire you. Share your qualifications with them and your interests. Most people get jobs through recommendations like that. So before the job is thrown to the public, you might just be lucky to get any of their staff recommend you, submit your resume to their employer on your behalf, and you could just get that dream job. Than just going to submit your resume or application to the company site whereby you do not even know anyone, or you don't even have an idea of how the recruitment process works. So this will get you closer to the company you're applying to, and it gives you an edge and a better chance than just submitting your CV in a generic manner. Then another thing I'll be giving you in this video is a list that has been published by the government of Canada of employers that have already been given a positive LMIA, that's the Labor Market Impact Assessment. This means that these employers have the permission of the government of Canada to bring in foreign candidates from outside Canada. They have been given the authorization to recruit candidates from outside Canada. So this gives you an edge as well, other than just going to submit to a random employer. You know that, okay, this particular employer I'm applying to can bring me into Canada. So you want to stick around with me through this video as I show you how to discover the hiring manager and how to go about the process of landing yourself a job in Canada from wherever you are. This video is coming to you because I got a lot of comments. People that have been applying for jobs in Canada and it has proved abortive. They've not been getting responses. And a lot of them are, at the verge of giving up, and they are thinking that it is not possible. You should not give up until you get what you want. Keep moving, keep going. People are getting it. If I tell you it's easy, then I'm not saying the truth. You need to put in a lot of work and due diligence. So how do we connect? Let's assume I'm interested in PwC Canada. So I just search for the company. So this is PwC Canada. The first thing I want to do is I want to follow this particular company. I can also navigate and go to their website through this link. But what I am eager to do now is to look for their staff, those that work with them. You can see for me, I already have my alumni. That's those that attended the same university with me, which is the best way to start making connection. I know these people, is even easier for me to connect with them because we attended the same school, even though I don't know them. But I can start my conversation like, oh, hi, I'm so glad to meet an alumni here. I also graduated from the University of Illinois, and in this department in this particular year. When did you graduate and what course did you study? You can pick it up from there, and you begin to interact and relate. And before you know it, you can get the person's WhatsApp number, and you start communicating. How is Canada? How did you relocate? Okay, you work with PwC. I would like to work there too. I've been trying to relocate. Can you recommend me? As time goes on, not immediately, so that the person will not look like, where are you coming from? Just try to build that network. You can pick like 5 to 10 people working in that particular organization and try to interact with all of them. You will just be surprised how you can just land that dream job within a twinkle of an eye. Let me try to connect now. Just pick the company you want, pick those individuals you want to connect with, and start networking, interact with them. So that's how to connect to the staff. Now let's try to connect with the hiring manager. So how do you connect with hiring manager? You want to click on any of the job positions. Like I'm clicking on corporate tax accountant now. So you just scroll down and you see the person that posted the job opening, meet the hiring team. So I recruit accounting professional for permanent positions within public practice accounting firm. So this is the hiring manager, Keelan Mayfield. So you want to click on his profile, and this is his profile here. You want to follow him, then you want to send him a message. For the staff of the organization, that can be informal, but for the hiring manager, you would like to make it more formal and professional. So the first thing, like I said, you're going to send a connection message to them. Like you would like to connect with them, you share the same interests, you're in the same industry. Once they accept your connection request, the second thing you want to do, you want to say, thanks for accepting my connection request. Hi Keelan, I saw the tax manager job posting about a week ago, and I'm currently doing a bit of research on the role to see whether I'll be a good fit. Would you happen to know anyone on the team I could have casual chat with to better understand the position before I bother you with specific questions related to job applications? You're just trying to tell them you have a sense of responsibility. You want to find out for yourself about the job roles. You want to do your own due diligence. And you're also letting them know that you're coming back to ask some questions about the application. So you are trying to prepare their mind. In all, to have a recap, you can connect with a hiring manager or connect with the staff. You can use either of these connections to land yourself a job. So once you get connected to them, you start talking about the job roles, you share your qualifications with them, the values you are bringing into the organization. If you are being hired, then at that point you let them know you are not currently in Canada, but you are willing to relocate. So if they have visa sponsorship arrangement on ground, you never can tell. That employer could even go extra mile to get you an LMIA once they are interested in your profile. So like I promised you, I was going to show you a list of employers in Canada that already have positive labor market impact assessment. That means they have been authorized by the government of Canada to bring in foreign workers to work for them from outside Canada. So you want to tailor your search to these employers. It's a very long list and it cuts across all provinces in Canada. You can't exhaust it, and there are different positions that are opened. So all you need to do is just come down here. They update it on a yearly basis. So for 2024, you want to come down and see the latest updates. So this is the list. This is the latest update for 2024. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. So these are the employers that are authorized to bring in foreign candidates from outside Canada. So you want to take advantage of this list, go on their website, look at their career page. You want to click on this link. You'll be able to download the list, check the names of the employer, their company name, put it in the Google search and search for their website. Go to their career page on their website, look out for the job positions that are open. If it matches your qualification and experience, send in your resume and your cover letter. You can give them an email too to further request for more clarification about your applications and all of that. So I just want to encourage you to keep applying. Don't give up. People have done it. They've gotten positive response. So you might just be on your way to land yourself a job in Canada and you'll be able to relocate. So I wish you the best of luck in your applications. Till I see you in my next video. Thank you.